Welcome to the 7 Principles of Influence. These are powerful psychological tactics that shape how people make decisions. Whether you're in sales, marketing, or leadership, understanding these principles will help you connect with others more effectively and drive better results. The first principle is reciprocity. This is the natural human tendency to return favors and repay debts. When you give something valuable to someone first, they feel obligated to give something back to you. In business, this means providing free value, helpful advice, or quality content before asking for a sale. People are far more likely to buy from you if you've already helped them without expecting immediate payment. The second principle is commitment and consistency. People have a deep desire to be consistent with their words, beliefs, and actions. Once someone commits to something, even something small, they're more likely to follow through with larger commitments. In marketing, start with small requests like signing up for a newsletter or downloading a free resource. This small commitment makes customers more likely to make bigger purchases later. The third principle is social proof. People look to others to decide what's right or wrong, especially when they're uncertain. Customer testimonials, reviews, ratings, and case studies are powerful because they show that others have already benefited from your product or service. When potential customers see that many people trust you, they're much more likely to trust you too. The fourth principle is authority. People naturally trust experts and authorities in their field. If you position yourself or your brand as an expert through credentials, certifications, awards, or published work, customers will be more confident in your recommendations. Share your expertise openly, showcase your achievements, and let people know why you're qualified to help them solve their problems. The fifth principle is liking. People prefer to say yes to those they like. Build likability by finding common ground with your audience, being genuine and approachable, and showing that you care about their success, not just making a sale. When customers feel a genuine connection with you, they're far more willing to do business with you. The sixth principle is scarcity. The fear of missing out is a powerful motivator. When something is limited in quantity or available for only a short time, people value it more and act faster. Use scarcity strategically by offering limited-time promotions, exclusive deals, or products with limited availability. This creates urgency and pushes people to make decisions sooner rather than later. The seventh principle is loss aversion. People feel the pain of losing something much more strongly than the pleasure of gaining something of equal value. Instead of focusing on what customers will gain, emphasize what they risk missing if they don't act now. Frame your message around preventing loss or avoiding problems, and you'll find your message much more persuasive. These 7 principles: reciprocity, commitment and consistency, social proof, authority, liking, scarcity, and loss aversion are the foundation of influence. When you apply them authentically in every customer interaction, you build trust, increase conversions, and create lasting business relationships. Remember, the goal is never to manipulate, but to genuinely serve your customers while building a successful business.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.